Hey friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to change picture even once it's created. Do it with the help of Canva. So for example, let's click over here to create a new template. So let's say use a YouTube thumbnail, right? And let's find a picture that I've already created previously. Something like, I have this thumbnail that I've used in one of my other channels, another video, right? So yeah, let's make it like a full over here, like a full thumbnail, full template, right? So I click on the picture, and if I click edit, I have this magic edit feature. Now you see this little crown over here, it means it's a paid feature. So Canva, I think, costs like $12 a month, paid plan. So I'm not affiliate of Canva, but this is my recommendation. If you do a lot of these sort of edits of text, you create a lot of materials, Canva is probably the best spent $12 for me every month, right? So it definitely is worth it. I think Magic Edit, you still have a couple of users even on the free plan. At least you used to have it. So click on this Magic Edit, right? And now you have a couple of options. You have brush, where you can just select specific parts that you want to change, and then you add the prompt. You can even do this by the click. So now it scans the picture, and now you can change specific parts. You can see it shows like these parts that I can change the color. But what I like to do is I just select all of the picture, right? Just all, and I add it via text. So for example, change t-shirt color to red. I may need to add something extra, but I think this one is going to work even with just this little simple prompt. So let's give it a couple of seconds. Yeah, so you see, this was even enough to add this sort of a little prompt, and now the color, everything stayed the same, even the text stayed the same, right? But the color right now of the t-shirt is red instead of what I had before, like a gray color, right? You can go even further. So add full. So let's say add a big hat on top of the person's head. Let's click generate and let's see what it does right now. Yep. So it decided to cover up the bald, right? I mean, it's a bit more like a beach hat that I wanted it to be, but still, you can change the prompt. Like from this prompt, it didn't know what kind of hat I wanted it to add, right? So you just basically can make the prompt longer, you can make it shorter, you can play with this one, right? But I would say this is a pretty good effect, right? And pretty good tool to add specific things to pictures that are already pre-made. Like my face didn't change, nothing changed, right? The problem we used to have with AI, not necessarily with Canva AI, but AI in general, is that if you wanted to make a slight changes, usually everything about the picture changed. But now you can see that all the other elements about the picture stay the same. You just change the color and add a beautiful hat to cover up my bald, right? So yeah, that's what you can do with Canva Edit. If this was useful to you, consider subscribing. I make a ton of videos like these, and I will make them in the future. So I will see you in the future one. Bye.